I'm really excited about today's video. I am going to be testing out the Heat Transfer Warehouse Sublimation book. I don't think I've ran into a sublimation blank like this one. My idea is that I'm going to make like a little baby book for my daughter that kind of has like the letters of her name and like an animal that begins with that letter. But let me kind of show you how it looks. So it comes in a little packet like this, and there's 4 pages and they're double-sided. So it's a lot like if you've ever subbed air fresheners, it's a lot like that material, but much thicker and sturdier than the air fresheners. But it's very similar to what subbing an air freshener is. But you can sub on the front and on the back. And it also comes with a little like plastic ring that you can put into the little hole. So it already comes with the little hole, and you put the ring there and you have all your little pages. I think these are great for like baby books. You can make like a little baby photo album, or a little name book, or a little learning book. So it comes with 4 pages. So that's a total of like, really, you can sub on front back. So that's like 8 subbable pages, which is really cool. I think these are just great. They're really cute, and again, I haven't seen anything like this, so I'm really excited about it. Let me know down below if you guys have tried these out and if you've seen any other company have these. I'm gonna have them linked down below for you, but let's get started. Okay, so they come nicely packaged like this. And they kind of feel like, if you've ever done the sublimation air fresheners, this is what basically the material that it is. It's just a bit harder, I would say, than those air fresheners, and they come with a little plastic ring to put them in. And they come in a pack of 4, and you can sub on both sides, I'm pretty sure. You probably could lint roll these to just make sure that there's nothing sticking on them. And I would recommend doing one side at a time. Like I mean, some people do more than one side at a time, but I just be too scared to do that. So I'm gonna take my design and put it on the side that I'm gonna put it on, this, and you can see through your paper, so you should be able to see where your design is at. And then you can just take some tape and sub on it. Take some tape and tape it down. Okay, so now we're just gonna do that for all of our pages. Again, these are double-sided, and there's 4 pages. Okay, so let's move to the heat press to test these out. Okay, so I got butcher paper here to protect my heat press. Our boards are not, you can do, because of the size, well, it depends what size heat press you have. I have 16 by 20, so I could probably do all 4 in one shot. And I don't need, I'm using InnoSil paper, so I don't need butcher paper on top, but if you're not, you should put some butcher paper. And I didn't see time and temp online, so I'm just gonna do 360 for 45 to 60 seconds. If you're using ASUB, do maybe 385 or 400, depending on your heat press. Mine runs hot, so always keep that in mind. They stuck. Okay. Hopefully that didn't cause any ghosting. But yeah, these are a lot just like the air fresheners, basically. So you want to be careful when you graft them, because it can change the shape of it. So maybe put something sturdy on top to kind of keep it nice. But this is how much ink release I have. It turned out so cute. So cute. Okay, so the only thing I want to say is to note that when you take these off the heat press, they're going to be like very mendable. Like they can bend and imprint really easily. So you can see right here, there's like an imprint on my finger because I pressed down. Be careful about that. If you do something like that, put something heavy on it to kind of fix it. But other than that, I think these are great for babies. The colors are super vibrant because, you know, it's white. And it's like, when it dries, it feels nice and sturdy. When it's subbed down and that heat is applied, it's kind of softer and more, again, bendable. But once it dries, it's really sturdy. Like, really sturdy. I think these, again, these are great for kids. I absolutely love these. I'm gonna make another one for my older daughter, but these are great. Again, you can make learning books, or you can do a little photo album. There's 8 pages, so maybe you can do like the first 8 months of the baby's life, or make into each page into a collage or something. Like, these are just really great books. Like, I love these. I really love these. I'll probably be getting more of these. They're so cute. So cute. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let me know down below if you guys try this. Again, I'll have these linked down below in the description. They're really cute. I really like these. They're so cute. Thank you guys again, and bye.